this video, share a hug with a wild tiger. And watch my car turn into a giant robot. Today, nothing makes sense. And I love it. We are going to use AI to break the laws of physics. Firstly, open Filmora 15. Then click on Stock Media. And then click on AI Media. And then come to Video Inspiration. Here you can explore different types of template. But for now, we will use different one for its search here in the search bar. Giant hand lift hoodie. Here it is. Click on it. Upload your photos here and adjust the ratio. After it, click on Generate. Now you can track the progress status from here. Now it's completed. See the result. Similarly, we will search another one. Brave embrace. You share a heartfelt hug with a tiger, polar bear, or other wild creature. Now it's completed. See the result. Similarly, we will search another one. Powerful car transformer. Here, your car can rises as a mechanical giant, stepping into action. Now it's completed. See the result. Similarly, we will search another one. Aerial equilibrium. Here, you can float in midair, weightless, as if gravity forgot you. Now it's completed. See the result. Here, I am using AI Extend for extending the video clip duration. Here, you have to write something which you want to see in the extended video. Now it's completed. See the result. And after doing all editing, it's ready to export.